guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's bake the moistest richest chocolate cake from scratch today. In a bowl, take half cup of milk. To this we'll add 1 teaspoon of vinegar so that our milk is curdled. Before starting, we'll grease our cake tin and keep it aside. So here I was not having butter papers, so we can also use any paper sheet and grease it with oil. For wet ingredients, in a bowl take 1/3 cup of oil. This is a vegetable oil. In that 1/3 cup of curd, and we'll add half cup of powdered sugar and mix everything well. It forms a fluffy consistency. The curd we are adding because we are making eggless cake, so we are replacing the egg with the curd. Into the wet ingredients, we'll add our dry ingredients. So I have taken 1 cup of maida, 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and half teaspoon of baking soda. So we'll sift all these ingredients into our wet ingredient. Mix the batter well, and we'll to this add the curdled milk. Our cake batter is now ready. We will preheat the kadai for 10 minutes and pour this batter into our cake tin. After adding the batter, tap the cake tin for 2-3 times so that the air bubbles are removed. We'll bake the cake in a kadai for 30 minutes on low flame. And there you have it. Our perfect eggless chocolate cake is ready. It's soft, moist, and absolutely delicious. Like, share and subscribe for more such eggless recipes. Thank you. Bye bye.